If you could travel to one World Cup city in 2026, which would you choose?
That's difficult.
Come on, pick one.
Maybe Mexico City?
How come?
I've heard the atmosphere there is incredible, and the city has amazing culture and food.
I can see that.
What about you?
I'd probably choose New York.
Because of football?
Partly, but also because I've always wanted to visit.
The atmosphere would be electric during the World Cup.
Fans from all over the world would be there.
That international atmosphere sounds amazing.
Imagine walking through the streets and hearing different languages everywhere.
Big football events are always like that.
Music, celebrations, people wearing jerseys from dozens of countries.
I love multicultural events.
So why?
Football creates moments of unity.
Have you ever traveled for a sports event?
No, but I'd like to someday. It creates unforgettable memories.
Especially if your team wins.
Or heartbreaking memories if your team loses.
That's true.
But even painful moments become stories later.
That's part of being a fan.
You experience joy and disappointment.
Do you think the 2026 World Cup will break viewing records?
Probably.
The tournament keeps growing.
And social media increases global attention.
Even people who don't usually watch football become interested.
World Cups bring excitement to people all over the world.
Schools, offices, restaurants, everyone talks about the matches.
I love that atmosphere. It feels like the world is connected for a month.
That's a beautiful way to describe it.
Thank you.
Sports create identity, community, and emotion. They also inspire people.
Especially children.
Many kids dream of becoming professional soccer players.
Even if they never become professionals, sports can still teach valuable lessons.
Teamwork, discipline, determination.
Respect.
Absolutely.
Which team will win the 2026 World Cup?
France.
Really?
They have talent, experience, and depth.
Good argument.
What about you?
Brazil.
You always choose Brazil.
Because they'll be stronger in 2026.
That's possible. Brazil usually performs well in major tournaments.
Which country do you think could be a surprise team?
I'd say the USA.
Interesting. I hadn't thought about the USA as a surprise team.
They've improved a lot over the years.
Their teamwork is impressive.
And they play with great discipline and confidence.
Imagine a World Cup final between two countries that have never won the tournament.
Wow, that would be incredible and really exciting to watch.
Fans around the world would talk about that match for years.
Wow, now I'm getting really excited for the World Cup to start.
Yeah, me too. I can't wait.
Wow, it's getting late.
Time passed quickly.
Football conversations can last forever.
Especially before a World Cup.
Do you know what I enjoy most about the tournament?
What?
Millions of people watching the same match at the same time.
Celebrating together.
Or suffering together.
The emotions in football are universal.
Which is why the World Cup is more than just a sports competition.
It becomes a global cultural event.
I agree.
Do you think football will continue growing in popularity?
I think so, especially with younger generations following football online. Social media also helps players become international celebrities.
Kids can follow football stars online every day.
That creates stronger connections with fans.
The game itself still inspires people.
That's what keeps fans coming back.
Every World Cup creates new memories. Do you think the 2026 World Cup will be remembered as historic?
Probably.
Because of the expanded format?
Yes, and because it's hosted across 3 countries.
It feels modern and global.
For sure.
I'm really excited now.
Me too.
We should watch some matches together.
Definitely.
Maybe we can organize viewing parties.
With snacks and jerseys.
And lots of emotional reactions.
Especially if penalties happen.
Please, no penalties.
But penalties create legendary moments.
Unpredictable and emotional.
Exactly.
Well, thanks for the conversation.
Thank you too.
I always enjoy talking about football with you.
Likewise.
Next time, we should discuss the greatest World Cup matches ever.
That could take another 5 hours.
I wouldn't be surprised.
And may the best team win in 2026.
As long as the tournament is exciting, everyone wins.
See you soon.
See you.